Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to create a beautiful scene captures the beauty of nature. So first of all we will paint the sky using a soft blue. Start from the top and gently blend it downward. Remember we are keeping the sky pure and vibrant. So avoid mixing yellow with blue. This can create green which isn't what we want here. So instead blend the blue gently with white as you move downward to create a smooth calming gradients. So next let's add the mountains in the background using a deeper shade of blue. Start shaping the peak, keep the edges soft to give them a natural distance look. Mountains are the backbone of this scene, and so take your time to define their contours. Now let's bring the life to the foreground with the trees and grassy area. Use shades of green to add textures, dimensions on both sides of the canvas. Create cluster of trees and patches of the grass. These add balance and richness to the landscape. So now let's add the stream. Starting from mountains, paint a winding path of water flowing down to the ground using lighter shades of blue and white to show the movement of reflection of light on the water. So add the touches of life and storytelling. Let's paint a small path on the right side using earthy tones to show where people might walk and suggesting the presence of human living with nature. So the path add a narrative element, making the scene feel live and real. So finally let's add some finishing touch and highlights the mountain, add shadows to the trees and maybe even sparkling some tiny flowers along with grassy areas. These small details bring the entire painting together. And there you have it, a peaceful natural landscape that captures the beauty of the sky, mountains, water and life. So I add some birds, look so beautiful. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more art tutorials.